you're looking for a budget hotel in a great location with a casino that has a casual but lively atmosphere and great food options, this is the video for you. Let's go check out Harrah's Las Vegas.
Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it.
Harrah's has 2,500 rooms that are spread over 2 towers. Now they have the Valley Tower and the Mountain Tower, and we are staying in the Mountain Tower. So let's head upstairs and we'll check out the room. This is the Mountain Tower Deluxe room, and it comes in at only 300 square feet, so it is pretty small. However, I'd say that they did a decent job in making it feel like it's pretty open and more spacious than it actually is. You do have a wardrobe in lieu of a big closet, so it is pretty small. There is only this bench for seating, a Keurig, but no pods for the Keurig. I love that they have an empty fridge in this room. Now you'll notice that the furniture is not very bulky, although you do have a couple of drawers there underneath that desk area. The bathroom is small, but it's recently renovated and it has plenty of counter space. You do have this half door in the shower, which I don't love, and there is additional closet space in the bathroom as well. We had a decent view of the Strip. You can see Caesar's Palace. You are across from the now closed Mirage, but this will reopen as Hard Rock in a few years, and you'll have the Guitar Tower to look at. When you come to check in, you'll come into this lobby. You can either choose a kiosk or you can check in with somebody in person. If you have Caesar's Diamond or above, you can check in the lounge, and there's also this cool coffee espresso machine for you to use. When we used to come into Harrah's, we always had to find Winnie and Buck. It was sort of like a good luck charm for us. But a few years ago, they did a remodel and they had to remove Winnie and Buck to put this new bar behind us. This is called The Lounge, and while it's really nice, we do miss seeing Winnie and Buck. But speaking of bars, let's check out the other bars here at Harrah's. Harrah's opened in 1972, and at that time casinos were built with lower ceilings, and that might make the casino feel a little bit smaller, but in reality, it's just as large as all of the other casinos on the Las Vegas Strip. Now they have slot machines that are scattered throughout the casino floor, and there's a whole giant area with table games here. And one of the things that we really like about Harrah's is that you could be walking on the sidewalk on the Las Vegas Strip, and there will be a door with slot machines right on the other side, so you can just walk in right from the Strip and go play your favorite slot. When Harrah's remodeled a few years ago, they included the sportsbook in that remodel. They created this loungy area so you can sit down and watch the game, but they also added sort of a second level with a bar top kind of overlooking the sportsbook. So now you have the option of sitting in the sportsbook or up at the bar area to catch your favorite game. There are no nightclubs at Harrah's, but if you walk right outside, you can hit up Carnival Court. They have live bands that play every night. There is no cover charge to get in, and they have blackjack tables, so you can come get a drink and watch some live music. Or just steps away inside of Harrah's, there is the piano bar, and that's where you'll find dueling pianos. They do have karaoke sometimes, and it gets really lively in there at night. And during the day, you might be able to catch a show with Big Elvis. The pool area at Harrah's is small. There are 2 pools, and one of them is a regular pool, but this one behind me, it's actually only 10 inches deep, so you can just kind of sit in there and just cool off a little bit. But funny enough, they do have a lifeguard out here as well. Now you will find a bar out here. There are plenty of cabanas and daybeds for you to rent. There are a couple of sets of cornhole, and we did see a couple of rooms that actually have direct access to the pool itself. So it's not a loud place to be. They don't have a DJ out here doing anything, but it is a place you need to come, lay out, and cool off. If you're finding this video useful so far, help our channel out and hit that thumbs up button. Harrah's is located center strip, and you can easily walk to places like the Venetian, Casino Royale, the Link Promenade, which has a bunch of bars, restaurants, shops, and that's where the High Roller is, as well as the zip line. You can also get to Caesar's Palace just across the street. Now, one of the things we like about Harrah's is if you are looking for cheap food, right next to Harrah's, right outside the door actually, you're gonna have a shopping center that has McDonald's, Chipotle, and Panda Express. So great place to go get cheap eats. And right next door to that, you have Casino Royale, which has 3.49 foot-long hot dogs and $3 beers. Another great thing about Harrah's is that you are attached to a monorail station, so that's an easy way to get down further on the strip. A lot of people come to Las Vegas and they want to eat at Hell's Kitchen, but it's difficult to get a reservation. Sometimes you have to make the reservation months in advance. But right over here at Harrah's, they have Ramsey's Kitchen, and here you can get the same beef Wellington that you would at Hell's Kitchen, but it's much easier to get a table. Well, let's take a look at the other food options that they have here at Harrah's. There's an interior walkway that takes you to the Caesars Forum Convention Center, to the monorail station, and to the Link. This actually used to be outdoors. It was an outdoor walkway, and a few years ago when they did the remodel, they enclosed it all. It is air conditioned in here. So now you have a way inside to get to the Link, to the Caesars Forum Convention Center, and to the monorail. If you're looking to catch a show while you're here at Harrah's, you do have several options here. So Donny Osmond is still performing, and it's right here in Las Vegas at the Harrah's. You also have Stars of Comedy with headliners that come through. There is X Country, which is an adult review show. Then there's also Menopause the Musical, and Colin Cloud Mastermind, which is a magic show. There are a couple of convenience stores, but as we've mentioned many times, if you can avoid it, don't shop here. There is a Walgreens that is right next to Casino Royale. It's not too far of a walk. You will save yourself a lot of money. Have you stayed at Harrah's Las Vegas? Drop a comment and let us know what you think about the hotel. We've been here multiple times and we will continue to come back. It is a great budget option, center strip. Now, if you are looking for more Vegas content, be sure to check out this video. And that's all we have for you today. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.